Hey, good morning, everyone. Yeah, for me it's good morning. It's time of 4:41. So as of now, we are going to complete the third training session. Coming Monday, I'm going to complete my third training session. After that, I'm going to start only one session, which is on February 21st onwards. What we are going to cover on this specific training session, like it's not related to Cisco or anything, it's purely a Arista product. Two different things will be covered. One is ACE-L3 CloudJourney, and you can see the price which is available from the Arista one. Another one which is ACE Cloud Automation. That's also mostly it like $3,000 for two different courses. So I'm going to give two different offers for you people. One is completely for free for only one person, but the person needs to complete something, because for this course you cannot start from the beginning. At least you need to know what is mean by layer 2, layer 3, layer 4. Maybe probably you need to little bit understand about the BGP, OSPF routing protocol. For testing yourself, I will give you a Google form. Please register before. So as we are going to start the session on 21st, you need to register before 14th. So whoever is registered, they are allowed to access my lab. This is a MPLS lab. We have already almost completed all. If you see the topology, like there will be, you can see three different colors of routers. One is kind of red, black and green. All the reds are ISP router. All the black is customer 1 router. All the green, which is customer number 2 routers. So we have completed almost everything except this part. So what I will do, I will give you, like for the registered people, I will give you 4 hours of time, 2 hours to read all the configurations, whatever we configured, and then 2 hours to configure this specific area, like the green color, which is customer 2, it needs to talk to the green color routers. One more task, the black color means the customer 1, they need to communicate only to the black color routers, which is customer number 1, 1, 2, 3 routers. And the green color also, they need to talk only to the green color, but one exception, the black color, the customer 1, they need to access this specific subnet. Not everything from the green color, or else the customer number 2, they need to access the specific 10.0.4.32.7. If you complete the lab within 4 hours, you can get the course with free of cost. Else you need to pay $1,000 plus $180 of GST, meaning that we will cover 2 different courses. One is entirely related to Arista CVP. You may you may Google it, or you can check like on the chat GPT what is mean by Arista CVP and what is mean by VXLAN, what is mean by EVP and all those stuff. The second thing, whatever we configured on the course number 1, which is L3, everything we needs to do as a automation thing. For the automation, we are going to play with Python, and then Ansible, and then Arista AVD, and then finally we can play with Jinja 2. these 4 area we can cover it. So if you complete the course, you will be very strong on the, not only on the Arista product, you will be strong on routing and switching as well as the current scenario, like previously, as of now, some of the people, they are using like the classical Ethernet, like core, distribution as well as access layer. Now we are moving into the spine and leaf and then border area leaf kind of setting. So that's what I am going to cover on this specific course. So please try to register as soon as possible. Whoever registers first, they can access the lab, and if the person is completed the lab perfectly, he or she might be access our entire course with free of cost. Rest of everybody, if you want to learn something related to the specific 2 courses, you need to pay $1,180. This is one specific thing. Thing number 2, if you only focusing on routing and switching in strong knowledge, like CCNP level, so 30,000 would be the course charge, and 180 would be 24.5. I think I'm not sure about the calculation. 30,000 and 30. Hold on a minute, sorry. For 10,000 it would be 1,800, which would be, you need to pay 35,400 for CCNP level of routing and switching. I am going to fully focus on syllabus based for this course, but for this course I am not going to based on the syllabus based. It's entirely based on the hands-on experience, and I'm not going to only cover the syllabus. As you know, we learn the stuff and we will have a hands-on experience, and you do have like the course timer would be like 60 days plus 15 days, like 75 days, 24/7 you can access our lab. Like see here we have a CVP. It will be entirely 24/7, it is accessible for you. So probably I'm trying to upload the Google form tomorrow. Interested people, you may register. Thank you guys.